Hello everybody, and thank you so much for joining us today for the third in our series of colour astrology featuring cerulean blue for the month of October. So today we are focusing on home decor, and we're going to create a beautiful crate arrangement with a little bit of a twist. So we've got some planted echeverias and some fresh cut flowers. I'll go through the ingredients shortly, but this design kind of lends itself to a really long table and any dining occasion really, especially Thanksgiving, which is coming up very soon. So the blue tones kind of bring a soothing tranquility and calmness into the home. So a good start to a formal dining scenario. Okay, so my products today, I'm going to start with my sundries, which is unusual because I normally do the planted products first, but I'm going to start with sundries. So I have got a crate here. Any crate that you've got would be fine, but if you do want some inspiration, visit our website, which is www.trianglenursery.co.uk, where there are loads of crates that you can choose from. Okay, so in that crate, I've actually lined it with cellophane. And then inside that, I have a Dalton dish with a biodegradable wet foam brick taped in with the 12mm anchor tape. And that's literally just been laid into the crate. And then for my floristry toolkit, apart from the anchor tape, I have my trusty scissors. So that's our sundries, now our fresh products. So I'm going to start from this end. So we've got a really unusual moss here. This is dried curly moss, and this is grey. Again, you can find this on our website, so go and have a little look for that. It's available in lots of different colours. Then I have a little selection of Echeverra plants here. So we've got some larger varieties and some of the smaller mini varieties. So again, that helps to keep this a really long-lasting arrangement, gives it a really nice long shelf life. So after the flowers have long gone, you can remove those and then the plants will still be there. Fresh flowers wise, we have some fantastic scabious. Now this scabious is called Hanneke, and I love the way that you get the little shoots on there as well. So again, perfect to help add a little bit of texture and a little bit of interest to your design. Then we have some roses. Now this rose is Four Seasons. So I would term it as a cream rose, but it's almost a buttermilk cream, actually almost hinting towards a little peachy tone really. So that's Four Seasons. And then we have some beautiful hyacinths here, which will add a bit of fragrance to the design. Now this particular hyacinth is called Sky Jacket, a really lovely, soft, subtle blue. And then finally the ever popular Eucalyptus cinerea. Now I've selected the cinerea because I think you'll agree it works beautifully with these blue-grey tones. Right, so enjoy. Well, as always, I have some top tips for you. And my top tip number 1, make sure that the crate is lined or fully watertight. Top tip number 2, you could make it slightly more colourful if you wanted to, using different flower varieties. Top tip number 3, you could actually use some LED lights to bring some warmth into the design and give some ambience to the dining space, especially if it's for a dinner party. Top tip number 4, you could actually replace the Echeviera with gourds or mini pumpkins, which would be perfect for Halloween. Once the fresh flowers have faded and you're left with the Echeverra plants, you could actually give those away as gifts. Give someone a nice keepsake of their evening dinner that they've had with you. So thank you so much for watching. Next up in our series, stay tuned for corporate design. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to visit our YouTube channel for lots more tips, hints and inspiration ideas, and don't forget to subscribe. Like us and share, and obviously comment in the box below because we love to hear your feedback. We look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, bye for now.